Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about this new feature called Frameworks as an app, or the Frameworks app. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go to the description section and sign up for your free trial today. And also, too, there's some other really good resources in the description section as well. Now, this is a really cool feature because this was announced at Funnel Hacking Live 10. And with this Frameworks as an app, we're actually going to read through it first in the changelog. And then we're going to jump into my demo ClickFunnels account, and we're going to walk through how to create a framework. And so Frameworks as an app empowers your business solutions. And so it says, we're excited to unveil Frameworks as an app for all users. With this innovative feature, you can now seamlessly share key components of your ClickFunnels workspace like funnels, themes, courses, workflows, and more in one comprehensive package. This enhancement is designed to streamline collaboration and empower you to deliver complete business solutions with ease. And there's comprehensive sharing, bundle funnels, themes, courses, and workflows into one easy-to-deploy package. Effortless collaboration, share your proven strategies and workspace components with teammates or clients seamlessly, and business-ready solutions. Deliver complete, scalable business solutions that drive efficiency and growth. And so this is really cool because ClickFunnels has this feature called Share Funnels, where you could share a funnel with other people. Now with Frameworks, you could not only share the funnels, but you could share the themes, the courses, the workflows, and so much more with it. And so this is a really awesome feature. And so why don't we jump into my ClickFunnels demo account, and we could walk through how to create a framework. So I'm in my demo ClickFunnels account, and we're going to go over to the app section and then click Frameworks. So over here on the left-hand side, and then scroll down and click Frameworks. If Frameworks isn't appearing under your list of apps, you'll need to add the app, which you could easily do that by clicking Add Apps and then click Frameworks and Add Apps. So we'll click on Frameworks, and then we're going to create a new framework, and we'll call this Test Framework 2. Click Create Framework. And so this is where we could add all the different components to the framework. So we could add themes, courses, funnels, workflows, pages, store, products, email templates, opportunity pipelines. And so let's add some stuff. So we have a course in here in this demo account. So we could do test course, and then you could also include the products if you like. So we'll enable that, click one course. And then we'll click Add Funnels, and I have one funnel down here. This one funnel away affiliate template. Click Include Products, add one funnel. And then this one has a workflow, so it shows attached workflows. So these workflows that are associated with this funnel will also be automatically imported, which is super nice. And then under workflows, let's add a workflow. And then so let's do this add tag workflow, and then add one workflow. So we bundled a course, a funnel, and a workflow all together at once. And so once we're done, we're going to go over here to the bottom, and then we're going to click Publish. Now the status is set to published, and what's awesome with this Frameworks app is that you could allow or disallow sharing just by toggling this right here, and then right here you could click to copy the share link and then give it out to other people. So that's how you create frameworks inside of ClickFunnels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out, and I'd love to help you out.